Welcome to Bianca's Casita. Yay. I'm so excited to be back recording at home. This morning is a little bit different than most mornings. Rosalie spent the night with her grandma last night, so today she's on her way back. So it's just me and Papito. So today is just going to be a just regular day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. I'm in my comfy clothes. My son, what's up? So what was I saying? Oh, I've got my comfy clothes on. It's a little gloomy out, so I was just, look, it's just a regular day in the life. Ande! Uh-huh. Papito wants all the attention right now. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Anywho's, I don't want to make it seem like I get dressed to record a regular day in life when it's like cleaning and doing stuff like that, which is what I'm doing today. I'm just getting back settled in from the trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Thank you guys for joining me. I am Bianca's Casita. So excited to have you, and let's get started with our morning. I'm going to use this Real Cocoa Original Coconut Milk. It looks fancy. How do you even make coconut milk? Sorry, I noticed that was open. Y'all, I just had the weirdest morning. A lot has happened since I started reading the Bible. The dogs got into the trash can outside. Disgusting. So I went out, checked what was going on, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get some trash bags. So I come in, get trash bags, and I locked myself out. Oh my gosh. I locked myself out of the house. Hasiel was luckily in his playpen, about to take a nap. He's fighting his nap right now. But luckily, he was in his playpen. I locked myself out. I had to figure out how to get in. I had to call Choco. I needed help getting in. He talked to me. He talked me through, and he was like, are you sure there's no windows open? And I was like, I'm sure. I checked them last night. I made sure it was like a sealed fortress. And he's like, what about the bathroom? And luckily we don't have a fan in the bathroom, so whenever I take a shower, and I took a shower this morning, which I never like take a shower right in the morning. I'm a night shower, but this morning I took a shower, and after the shower I opened the window. So thankfully we don't have a fan in that bathroom, so we have to open the window. And thankfully I took a shower this morning. So I had to climb in through that. Anyways, weird morning. I have to go put back the screen on the outside of the bathroom. Oh my gosh. It was a hectic morning. Thankfully I picked up the trash. That's good. And now I have to go seal up my fortress again. I'll be right back. Let's catch up, you guys. Well, we're back. I'm out of breath. It's embarrassing. If you guys ever needed some encouragement to like lose weight and get in shape, I have a great encouragement today. If you ever need to slide in through your bathroom window You gotta be a certain size, okay? I almost didn't fit, and I was like, Lord. I almost didn't fit, y'all, and that was my encouragement for today. I need to do some, need to cut down on those carbs. Because if that ever happens again, I need to be able to fit through the smallest window of our house. But anyways, anywho's, that's neither here nor there. Catching you guys up from just being home. So glad to be home. I think right before we left, we changed the dang it, I thought of the word yesterday. What is that word that they use to describe okay, I remember. We decided to fix the feng shui of our home. I can't even take myself seriously. Okay, so we changed up we changed up the living room functionality, I guess. We changed up where we put the couches. So if you guys remember from my last cleaning video, both of the couches were here. So the long one was here, and then, or it was a short one here, and then the long one where the short one is right there. And then that mueble right there was under this mirror where all of those beautiful new decor is. And then we moved to the big couch right over here, right under the window. So it made the space a little open. And you guys are wondering, like, what happened to the dad couch? Ah, it's not there. Yay. No, it's still here. It's there. Hello. Can't get rid of her. I cannot get rid of her, not because I don't want to, because I'm not allowed to. So let's get started. Let's take our take 2 for this day, because that was a lot. What happened earlier, that was just a lot. That was like a whole day for somebody, but that was just like the beginning of my day. And Choco was like, it's always something. I'm like, I know. So I came here to say that I tried the coconut milk with my coffee. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it. I like the little coconutty, you know when you drink LaCroix, it's like infused with XY, whatever. It's not like the actual taste, just the essence of the taste. So I get the essence of the taste of coconut. But that's it. It's not doing much for me other than giving me the sense of coconut, which I do like. But I need Alrighty guys, this week's scripture passage is coming from 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verses 16 through 18. I just felt like everything that I was consuming this week was taking me back to this passage in the Bible, in the scripture, and obviously the Lord wanted me to meditate on this and pray about it, so I wanted to share with you guys. So here we go. Therefore, we do not give up. Even though our outer person is being destroyed, our inner person is being renewed day by day. For our momentary light affliction is producing for us an absolute, incomparable, eternal weight of glory. So we do not focus on what is seen, but on what is unseen. For what is seen is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal. My hope for everyone watching is that this scripture helps you stay encouraged and keep your eyes set on the kingdom. the grand reveal. Wow, she looks great. Alrighty guys, the remainder of this video, I am making dinner and we're making agua de piña con limón y chia seeds. And Choco helped me make the agua de piña here. Estaba como media pasadita, which is why we turned it into jugo, because she was a little past due here. We couldn't really eat it. It was a little, you know how it be. So it was really good. We added a lot of sugar, a lot of water, and piña and lemon, and it was very delicious. And to eat, it was a labor of love. I did chiles rellenos de pollo in salsa chipotle. It was super good, but it was definitely a labor of love, okay? It takes a long time. It takes forever to make, but they were good. El pollo me salió un poquito salado, but it was delicious. So here's Choco using our fancy juicer, and here are my chiles. So yummy. All right, y'all, we are gonna end the vlog right here. I'm losing control of the day. Rosalie got hurt, so Choco's helping her. So we're just gonna end the vlog right now. We're about to have some friends over for dinner, and hopefully my chiles rellenos came out good because I tasted the chicken and it's a little bit too salty. So hopefully with the crema and everything, it all kind of like balances out. But I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and I hope you come back next time. Adios.